Hey guys, in this video, I wanted to kind of talk about three mechanisms of action for caffeine that are pretty unknown. The first is that it actually affects ATP production through mitochondrial complex 4 of the electron transport chain. This is really interesting because there's a long-rumored connection between cognitive energy levels and mitochondrial energy levels. Now, I don't know if this connection is real exactly, but I just thought it was very interesting that it is present in caffeine. The second thing is that it has cholinergic effects that are essential to some of its cognitive enhancing properties. For example, in the hippocampus. This, unlike the effect with the electron chain, is definitely essential to its properties. Blocking it blocks a lot of its cognitive enhancement, which it turns out is not just dopamine related. I thought this was very interesting, because this is a common mechanism of cognitive enhancers, but it's not very well known for caffeine. Thirdly, caffeine is a mimetic of uric acid. Was actually derived from it. This is really interesting because it's related to chemicals that are used in mammals to increase metabolism and energy production. For example, pushing bears out of hibernation is actually chemically related. The mechanisms for that. Now, it's been long suggested that there's a connection between uric acid levels in the bloodstream and energy levels in humans. For example, that more successful people, longitudinal studies show that more successful people in jobs tend to have higher uric acid levels. This was basically studied because of the, gout being the infamous King's disease. Found in mostly successful people in the ancient world where it was present. This is still very controversial, but because it's been suggested that uric acid impacts awareness and energy levels in human beings, and if you look at it, it's related to ergoxerogenic effects. It has also been suggested that maybe the fact that caffeine is an analog of it has something to do with this. So yeah, the cholinergic one is the only very strong connection, but I just found all these interesting. Wanted to mention them.